Hello guys and welcome to our channel. In this video we are going to see how to install IntelliJ IDEA on Windows. Before installing IntelliJ IDEA, we need to install Java on our system. So let's install Java. First open your favorite browser and in the search bar type Oracle Java and press enter. In the search results you have to click on this official website. In this official web page click on this download Java. Then you will be redirected to this downloads page. In here you can see the latest version of Java JDK 26. In here you have to choose your operating system, Linux, Mac OS or Windows. So here I am going with the Windows version and here I am choosing x64 installer. You can choose this MSI installer also. If you are going with the MSI installer, simply click on this link. Since I am going with the x64 installer, I am clicking on this link. Once you click on the link, the download process will start. Now you can see download is happening. In here I am going to close this because I have already downloaded it, and also I am going to close this browser also. So here is the file I have already downloaded. Once your download is finished, simply double click on it. Then you will see this installation wizard. Click on next. Then here they are asking for the installation directory. If you are okay with this, simply click on next. If you want to change this, you can change it with this change button. Since I am okay with this installation directory, I simply click on next. Now the installation process is happening. Our Java installation is successful. Let's close this. And in the CMD, let's try to see Java version. In here type Java version and press enter. So here it is. The Java installation is successful. So we verified the Java installation. So let's move on to the IntelliJ download. So let's close this. Again open the favorite browser and in the search bar type IntelliJ download and press enter. In here you have to click on this official JetBrains website. In here you have to accept all. In here you have to choose your operating system, Windows, Mac OS or Linux. Let's proceed with the Windows option. And in Windows option also, you have to choose your computer's architecture. If you are using ARM, go with this option. If not, simply proceed with this .exe. In here I am going with this first option. Simply click on it. Then you will redirect to this page and download process will start. You can see the download process is happening. I am going to close this because I have already downloaded IntelliJ IDEA also. So I am going to close this browser. So here is the IntelliJ IDEA setup I have already downloaded. Once your download complete, double click on it. Then you will see this installation wizard. Simply click on next. And here asking for the installation directory. If you want to change this, you can change this directory with this browse button. If not, simply click on next. In here they are asking to create a desktop shortcut. Check this box. It's important to check this box. If not, your IntelliJ IDEA will not work as expected. And here check this box also. Then click on next. In here simply click on install. Now the installation process has started. This can take several minutes based on your computer's performance. Now IntelliJ IDEA has successfully installed. In here check this box and click on finish. In here it's asking to import settings. Click on this skip import. So we have installed the IntelliJ IDEA successfully. So let's create a new project to verify our IntelliJ IDEA and Java installation. In here you have to give a project name. I am giving a project name as my project. Keep this as default. In here we do not need the Git repository. Select IntelliJ. The Java version is automatically selected. So keep it as default and simply click on create. If you got this notification, simply click on exclude folders. This is a default program written on Java. So let's try to run it. You have to simply click on this green button. So it's working. Java and IntelliJ IDEA installation successful. So let's verify it with Hello World program also. So let's remove this. Here the beauty of IntelliJ IDEA. So we have to type sout, then press enter. Then it will write the system.out.println, which is used for printing in the Java. So let's type hello world and let's run it. So it's working. So our Java installation and IntelliJ IDEA installation successful. So this is the end of this video. If you found this video helpful, Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.